Jackie Robinson right here.
Yo, let me get this
on
going.
the highway?
Yeah, I've been on the highway.
Yeah, I'm saying that's his.
This is the Jackie Robinson and that's his grave.
Yeah. Like knee pads or anything? Like, no. I got. I'm built different.
Yo, check this guy out, bro.
For real, I'm built.
Yo, we out. Trying to keep up with the e-bikes off-road. Check me out, bro. I'm on the e-bike right now. And he's on my scooter over there. Forrest right now with Reuben. Just the two of us right now.
Stand back. I could take you through cemeteries right now and shit like that, like nice stuff too.
Alright, show me around. Yo, he wobbling a lot though. This is the first time I'm ever riding through a cemetery, ever. This guy just does not look behind him when eating someone, bro. Ooh, I turned too close just now. This cemetery is tough, bro.
You ever been over here?
Nah. I've never been to a cemetery in the US since 2019. cemetery. Not only is the area beautiful, but like all the flowers and shit, bro, make it even more nice.
You know Jackie Robinson? Have you seen his funeral?
Oh, I know the parkway. I don't know like.
I'll show you Jackie Robinson's funeral.
Oh, show me right now.
Where he's at. He got a. I'll show you. It's right around the corner. Well, not around the corner, but.
Yo, it's easy to get lost in this joint, bro.
Look at Jackie Robinson right here.
Yo, let me get this
On the
joint.
highway?
Yeah, I've been on the highway.
Yeah, I'm saying that's his.
This is the Jackie Robinson and that's his grave.
Yeah.
And I've always been to like the Jackie Robinson. It doesn't say when he died though, does it? Is it like on the tombstones?
That's a family too there.
It don't say when he died.
It should say it. I'm not sure. I'm just showing you some history.
Yeah, man, it's good to know too. I thought this guy like died years ago.
All this, bro. All this.
I thought he died mad long
I love
ago.
it.
This is like the most beautiful cemetery I've been to.
Yeah, the cemetery's big. There's a lot of places here.
Ooh, it even goes under the Jackie Robinson Parkway, bro. I'm losing him. And he just realized I wasn't behind him. The people here have probably never seen someone on an electric scooter. whizzing by. Advantages of having electric scooters, bro. Ooh. I still got hit in the face though. Yo, this cemetery is still not ended. That is crazy, bro. Fuck. Ah, yeah. I took the wrong path. It's like mad far from me right now. Shit. Bro, this guy needs to look behind them more, bro. so that's what's up. This is the Forrest Park area right here. We got some Suron kids in this joint doing wheelies. What's up? What's up?
How fast we go?
Mine goes 43.
What about his? Big boy right there. How fast? 55.
Nice. This is 50.
Is that a Suron or like a talaria?
Talaria triple X.
Damn, I've never seen one of those in person.
There's an E-ride over there.
Yo, this one's tough.
What?
I said yours is tough.
Thank you.
Let's go 50.
Oh. What's up? What's up? I seen you doing wheelies over here earlier.
What?
I seen you doing some wheelies earlier. Can you show me some real quick?
What?
Wheelie?
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna, man. And that's not on this one.
Yo, that's tough. That's tough, bro.
You know what? You don't wear like knee pads or anything? Like, no. I got. I'm built different.
Yo, check this guy out, bro.
For real. I'm built definitely different. I'm dying to get me one of these. I've been thinking about them, but it's like, I don't know, but I don't know if the cops will mess with. The cops don't mess with y'all?
They don't care. As long as you're not like doing anything like stupid. If you're like
I like
taking
your tires. You got the street tires.
Yeah, that's stuff.
Oh, I like the sticker over here. It says 20 miles per hour.
That does not go 20 miles an hour.
Some people believe it, but
There's some
That's
cops like they don't know anything.
It's 3 different ones.
Yeah,
him,
yeah, they're the same but different color. I have a different one.
Okay, yeah, I see the body.
mine's
That's hot, man.
I've never ridden one of these before.
I always wanted to get me one of
Let's
these.
try
I was,
it.
like, I was skeptical
Huh?
about
Try
it.
it.
Yeah, sure. Yo.
Can I try that?
Yeah, of course, bro. You know how to ride one?
Scooter?
Yeah.
Is it full throttle?
It's hold on.
Like the quad throttle?
Yeah.
Is it
Yeah.
like really torquey?
Yeah, you push this right here.
This is the back brake?
Yeah.
These things?
That's all I need to know?
Like these.
You know what I like?
Alright, so you
And
know,
it's in the highest power mode.
I'm gonna put lowest. Where's lowest?
Yeah. You could press it and it's gonna be in one. Yeah.
How many modes are there?
One of those?
3.
Trust me, I'm
Can you lower this?
The seat?
Like, is it in the like top power mode right now?
It's in eco mode. They
Okay.
can show you how to put
They
it on.
can't catch you on one of these. Cause you gonna hit the
Oh,
sidewalk.
you get the sidewalks and off-road. You get anything on these.
Yo, he's on the scooter right now. Okay.
Likes it, that's what's up.
This feels small.
I know. Mine's
I'm
a bit
like-
bigger.
I'm
Pull the
6'1".
kickstand and then just give it a little bit of gas and always keep a finger on the brake.
Okay.
Get
A
little
little
bit.
bit. Also, you got the sensors too.
And he only got the back brake. What?
Yeah, he's retarded.
Okay.
Just get a little bit.
Oh, he
throttle.
only got back brake?
Oh shit, the camera, you guys can't see. Like that. Yo, check me out, bro. I'm on the e-bike right now. And he's on my scooter over there. Yo, he got the hang of it. Yo, this is pretty loud. Oh shit, I keep trying to grab the front throttle. The front brakes. But he's only got the real one. Oh, the other dude's trying out my friend's scooter, the Roadrunner RS5. The braking power on this isn't that astonishing. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. I wasn't going too hard on it earlier, but like from a standstill, the torque on this joint is crazy, bro. Alright, I'll do it again. Yes, sir. The moped boys are going crazy. Damn. He's enjoying the scooter too. Oh, it does the thing where it shows you forward. whenever you give it a little gas. Yo. Yo, this is what e-bike riders feel like. Yo, I'm enjoying every second of it because I don't know the next time when I might ride one. Also, the camera's dying, so let me capture as much footage as possible. I got the extra batteries in my bag though, so I could just replace them. Yo, he already put my scooter away. I don't want to ride this for too long. I don't want to ride it for too long. Oh man, it's like totally different, bro. My dad has an electric moped, and like the torque between this and his, bro, like fucking night and day.
Well, is it an eco or sport?
It's an eco, he said.
You want a sport?
I haven't tried sport yet.
Sport is torque.
The camera's dying. Let me replace the battery so I can record it. Oh, it's at 27%. I'm good.
No, the back rim is garbage. It's because
I'm at 27%, so I thought it was dying.
It's a sport mode now. So just give it a bit less gas.
Cool.
Give it a bit less
Thank
on
you.
the road.
I'm scared of it. What time you gotta do?
Oh, fuck! Yo! Let me put the camera. Holy shit! I think I should have the phone with me so we can record the GPS, so you guys can see the speed I'm traveling. Yo, that thing is fast. Hold on. It was disconnected. Let me connect the camera so you guys can see the speed. Okay, I got the speed now. And check out the sticker right here. It says class 2, 750 watt. Can I still ride it for a little bit? Alright, thank you. Oh, fuck. It's heavy though. It's heavy. Like easily over 100 pounds. My scooter weighs 77. Getting along with the Sermon kids at the park, like who would have thought, bro? I don't know how fast that was, but the power was like instantaneous, bro. Instantaneous. I'm gonna do from a standstill. This is definitely modified for sure. Let me roll down my helmet because shit's about to get real. Let me back up a little bit so I can get as much speed. Okay, ready guys? I don't like the braking on his though. Like the brake should be better for like the speed that this thing can reach. But it is loud. It's very loud. Like compared to an electric scooter, bro. I've been riding his e-bike for a while now, bro. I feel like I should turn it off. I've been abusing it too much. Bro, thank you so much, bro. Appreciate you.
35.
Did you modify it?
Yeah, I have upgraded brakes, upgraded rotor, titanium bolts, not much. these things
Yeah.
to like lock your foot under for wheelies, so you don't like fall off the back. Seat covers, light, plate, stickers, pegs.
About the speed though, did you like change the controller or anything like that?
No, I don't have the money for it.
So this is stock, like in terms of acceleration and speed, top speed.
Yeah.
Okay,
I had that on my car.
nice. You got an NFC tag for it, or do you have like a key?
I can unlock it with my phone. The Apple Pay.
That's nice.
Looks nice. Train horn, but it's kind of low.
But like mine is. Oh, it turned off.
Right. Oh my god. I had the same one. Wait, you brought that up Amazon? Yes. No, that's him. I had this one online.
Kid's toy. But this is a little bit better. But it's still not like good enough for like cause attention.
Is the light 12 volt?
My lights, I don't
Not
know.
the horn. Yeah. Because if you have a 12 volt horn,
Yeah.
you can install one of these.
Yeah, 12 volts.
Okay, cool.
There's like two like clamps.
You know what it is? Some of these don't run on 12 volts. Some of these run on like a 5-6 volt system.
Where you guys located?
No, but
In
this one
Queens?
is a 12 volt. Pretty sure.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's
All the way in Brooklyn.
magnifying.
I came here because he was showing me around Forrest Park.
Forest Park's really nice.
Yeah, he told me I was asking him like about places to ride and he said like Forest Park is nice.
Yeah, Forest Park.
This is Forest Park, right?
Yeah, but that brand's
Yeah.
like a Chinese
Okay,
brand. That one's also Chinese. But this one's like a.
So Motor Party.
Let me replace the battery and the camera so it doesn't die midway while I record. Do I, Willie? That was the e-bike I was on earlier, bro. Yo, that kid's got it, bro. I'm like, how do you even wheelie something like this, bro? That thing like felt like it weighed a ton, and he doing that effortlessly. Oh, look at his friend over here too. The two of them going crazy.
It's like all the dads that like to ask about it, like dads, and then the kid wants to get one of these. But, like 9-year-old kids cannot be on it.
Yo, that was close.
Like this? We gotta bring it to the third time.
And there's no light. Mine's like 180 pounds. Theirs are like 130, I think.
150. Oh my god.
Do y'all pose?
No, I'm not forgetting what you're I like it.
These are like amazing, but it's like the price.
Yeah, no,
Like if you want a good one, you have to spend like 3,000.
exactly.
Yeah.
Anything you want good, you have to spend 3,000.
Because I bought a brand new.
Anything you get, this is 2,200. I want to get the $3,600. He's not even wearing a helmet.
That's a hard 3. What do you think?
Yeah, guys, we about to start riding together for a little bit with the boys on the e-bikes or Mod 1 single. Fuck.
I'm gonna hit this as a jump.
Huh? Oh shit! Wait. I gotta get this on camera, bro. I gotta get this. Yo, where he went? Yo, I think he already did.
Is he going again?
I don't think so.
Are you going again?
No. Let's catch up to them.
Alright.
They went over there. Yeah, I don't know. They went over there, right? What's up with the guy?
I don't know. I think you started waiting for us.
Alright, yeah.
Let me try to keep up with the boys on the e-bike. Let's see how well I can keep up. Yo, wheelies on the downhill is crazy, bro. Where we headed? Straight.
I'm cold.
Yo, we out. That's the thing with e-bikes, they can just go anywhere, bro. Sidewalk, grass, everywhere. Yo, I'm being left behind right now, bro. Scooter is losing charge, low on battery. Oh shit. The road is filled with debris and shit. I definitely want to race an e-bike whenever I got enough charge.
Yeah, up there. No, go to the left once you get up.
Let's see if I can hop it. Let's go! Oh, fuck. So much gravel. I better not lose a tire doing this shit, bro. Yeah, nah. Not doing this shit, Mark. I'm working it down. Oh. disadvantages of having small ass tires on the scooter.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I'll make it up this.
Yeah, me neither.
I go.
They got the pictures. Yeah.
24 minutes left.
Huh?
I said I got 24 minutes left before I can't record no more.
Oh, that's not bad. Oh. I never been to this trail.
Oh, when I get more charge for sure, bro. Definitely coming back here.
Dude, this park is ill.
Huh?
This park is ill. I've been here 1,000 times. For real.
Let's head back.
No. Even we have to go down, we have to go uphill. So we gotta walk this up.
Oh shit. Finally, rolled on my helmet.
For real. These tires is no good for this shit.
Trying to keep up with the e-bikes off-road is not easy. I got street tires. Reuben has it worse. He got PMTs in the front. So less grip for him on these surfaces over here. Yo, wait. Picture real quick, picture.
Oh, picture. Yeah, you're not even lying. Let's take a picture. Wait. I don't mind a picture.
Put the
But
ball
nobody
on
can
the
believe what I
back.
did.
Oh, I forgot, bro. I took my mud guard off.
Where'd it go?
I took it off.
Yo, give me it. No, give me 30 bucks.
Better take some pictures right now.
Mine
What, you
is,
take a picture?
I was gonna do all the scooters together and the bikes.
the bag. Oh. That's not the bag.
Put yours like the other way.
Put the bag right there. Put it right there.
I should turn on my lights too then.
Thank you. Oh, yo, what the fuck? Stop, what's this here?
That's cool. Yeah, and after that,
Don't
I'm
tell me
gonna have
this
to get
ain't
you one of
tough.
these.
And lean it that way. Lean, like the bar's left. Bar's left, yeah.
I'm gonna definitely have to get you one of these. For real.
I'll turn on the underglow.
Yes. I'm gonna definitely have to get you one of these. Wait, this has to start first. I take this big ass helmet off.